Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a quick fix perk in a battle. So what you need to do is click your loadout first at the bottom of your screen. This is your perk. So in the middle, this is the quick fix. Let's click it. This is the quick fix perk. So as you can see the details, gun, melee, and combat X kills regenerate health immediately, and it can trigger once every 2 seconds, and also capturing and holding objective increase your health regeneration. So it's very useful for hardpoint mode and also some mode that require objective to win it. So let's try in game. Let's get back, go to multiplayer, let's click the core. Okay, unclick. I want to try this this quick fix perk in hardpoint. Click the hardpoint game. Let's start. Yeah, welcome to hardpoint. As you can see in the map, this is the hardpoint. You have to capture it. So if you see there are small icon near this gun, the green one, that is the icon of quick fix. So your health will be regenerate if you capture the hardpoint, this point. So if you your health is decreased or low, you can capture the objective. This is the benefit if you are using this perk. So let's try. As you can see, I'm in hard point. This is the point. So your health will regenerate if you standing or standby in that point. So that's the benefit of using this perk. So this is the flash, the green flash. It means your health is regenerate. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.